The very last thing that we're going to apply is what we call bronzer, and this will actually give you a sun-kissed look. As we said in the beginning, when you apply your foundation, you want your foundation to exactly match the color of your skin, and then if you want to have a sun-kissed look, you apply bronzer at the end. So the way that you want to apply the bronzer is you want to imagine that the sun is shining directly on your face. So you're wanting to apply the bronzer at the top of your forehead, the top of your cheeks, on the end of your nose, on your chin, and across the top of your shoulders. And that will give you the beautiful sun-kissed look that you're looking for. Okay, now what we have here is what we call a kabuki brush. And you want to just lightly press into your bronzer. And then you want to shake a little bit of the color down into the bristles and apply it very lightly. So here again, we're starting at the top of the forehead and just lightly brushing across, a little bit at the top of her cheeks, on the end of her nose, on her chin, and then we're going to go just lightly across the top of her shoulders. Just like the sun, we're shining right down on her face, and she has just a little bit of color from the sun. I'm Kathy with Makeup by Kathy, and we have applied our makeup to our model, and we have started first with using a good skincare, a toner, and a moisturizer, which of course is the first lead-in to really having beautiful makeup. And then we're using a custom blended foundation that perfectly matches her skin tone. And then we have applied her eye color, and then her cheeks, her lip color, and then applied a bronzer. And she looks very, very beautiful, and those are the steps to a good makeover.